Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a free app with AI. So just you need to follow these steps step by step till the end. So first you have to go to your browser, to your Google Chrome or whatever, and search for Roark.ai. So you will go and open the site here, Roark, and you have to sign in or log in. For example, I already signed in with my account. So after you sign in, they will give you a free 5 messages to describe the mobile app that you want to build. So from this bar you can say what you want to build. For example, I already have a text here. I talked with ChatGPT. My idea is to create an anti-depression app. I will just pass this prompt that ChatGPT give me, and I will click here on send. So then when you click on create or send, right now they will create an app for you. So right now, guys, as you can see, they are creating my app. So if I come here, I will see the code. If I come here, I will see the app. It's creating, as you can see. Just it take some time, a long time, so you just have to wait until it creates your app. So guys, if you have this problem, app failed to install on simulator, click on fix and again wait the process. So guys, here is my app. I will just open it like this. Here is the home page, as you can see, and the mood option, breathe. I can click on ready and it will start content. Also I can find your journal and more, habit tracker, support chat, and many features here. So if you want, for example, to make some changes, just come here and write what you want to change or what you want to add. Also you can add pictures if you want to add your logo, your colors, everything. And that's all, guys. I hope this video was useful for you. So don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.